friends are such assholes that they all tap through my close friend videos where I'm constantly talking and ranting that I have come back to my final resort, which is vlogging shit. Okay. So, I should have started this long back, but I did not. So, I'm just going to talk about something right here. It was my day to unpack and get my shit together after the Mexico trip. So, this is how my room looked. I'm going to insert a picture. Now an explanation. So basically, every year I kind of keep all my winter clothes back in the... Oh, I'm going to look so ugly in this video, guys. But okay. Every year I kind of put all my winter clothes in the closet and put all the summer clothes out just to make a lot of room. And abhi tak maine wo nahi kiya tha because I was supposed to go to India, but I couldn't go to India. So my plan was that after coming back to India, I'm just gonna unpack everything, do India unpack, do my winter clothes unpack and everything. But now that I'm not going to India and I have one more month in this country, and this country is getting colder day by day, like tomorrow is literally, like every day is literally very, very cold. It's gonna be -9 this weekend, -10 this weekend, and it's also supposed to snow like right now. I don't know if it's snowing, but because of that, I had to unpack my clothes as well. And because I had to unpack my clothes, I had to unpack my Mexico clothes, I had to wash my Mexico clothes, I had to wash the sand out of my Mexico clothes. It was a big chaos. And then I also had to separate the clothes that I'm returning and the clothes that I'm not returning. And I've already like organized my room at least 10 times this year, that it's really frustrating to me that I don't know how, but every like once a month I have to organize my room, and I come up with this plan that if I do it this way, I'll probably keep up with like the organizational skills. But I am really, really bad. So I'm really good, I think, at making my room look put together. But what goes behind the doors, I'm really behind. I'm really bad at that. So that's where I kind of messed up. And that's why I've been trying to like keep up with my room organizational skills forever this year. And I don't know, I think I've gotten somewhere this time. And I have again, I've not placed the order, but my plan is to get like IKEA organizers. IKEA organizers. But so there's gonna be one more day of organizing my room, but I think after that I should be done. And my resolution this year is that I'm gonna keep my room put together. That's the plan. My another plan is to also like read a certain number of books, and I've decided that I'm going to put a number and I'm going to read these many number of books. And I've kind of taken or kind of stolen that plan from my manager after having but that sounds nice because I'm into reading now, and I'm just like, oh my god, I need to be reading a book. I've not read more than one. I've actually read 3 books in my entire life before this year, and this year I have read 2 books. So next year I'm gonna put a number and I'm gonna read as many books. That's my plan. Anyway, back to today. So I spent time from 4:30 to 9:30 literally organizing my room. And by organizing, I mean room organizing and behind the door organizing. Sab kiya hai maine, back to back, like in a very perfect way. And I'm extremely tired because I haven't eaten food. I did have coffee, but that coffee kind of wore off after like when I was organizing stuff. So now I'm really excited. Now I'm really exhausted. So I am making Maggie. Don't tell my mother. She's going to think that I eat Maggie every other day, but no, I don't. Got it? Anyway, so not the point of this video. The point of this video is to just talk through my way while making Maggie. And it's not like I'm not tired. I just put up a video on my close friend saying that I am so tired, guys. I am so tired that and so hungry and so thirsty that abhi mere ko apna thuk meetha aur tasty lag raha hai. And I'm not even kidding. It is so sweet. My own spit is so sweet. That's how tired I am. Because I haven't eaten anything since 12 o'clock. But that's okay. I mean, I did have one katori of aloo bhujia, but that's okay. I haven't... The point is that I'm going to talk to this video and tell you guys everything, or I'm actually doing that. Because none of my friends watch the videos. And abhi maine jo apni stories ko वैसे back करके देखा ना, I'm like, what is going on? How many? I have 8 viewers. तुम 8 व्यूअर्स ने वो स्टोरी देखी है और मेरे को रिस्पॉन्स नहीं किया है, इसका मतलब तुमने वो स्टोरी नहीं देखी है. और उसमें से एक मेरा एक बहुत जिगरी दोस्त भी है. एंड सिंस आई नो कि तुम लोगों ने ये किया है, आई एम लाइक, गो गेट लॉस्ट. मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाऊंगी और मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो पे डालूंगी इन द मोस्ट अगलीस्ट फेस एंड द मोस्ट अगलीस्ट स्वेटशर्ट एवर. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट केयर. मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. मैगी बनाओ मेरे साथ, चलो आओ. Anyway, this is probably going to be just like a one shot video on YouTube for no goddamn reason. And I don't know, guys. I think I'm just like getting back to that phase where I used to love talking to the camera, and I'm doing that right now. Okay, अब मैं बताती हूँ कि मैं मैगी कैसे बनाती हूँ. So basically, क्योंकि ये मैगी है, बट कोई भी मैगी क्या मैगी होती है? What I mean is कि ये मैगी है, बट क्या तुम अपनी मैगी की तरह बनाते हो every single time? No. Especially when you're like extremely hungry and you're dying and you want to have the tastiest food ever. And what if you make your Maggi like Maggi, but it doesn't taste like the Maggi you like? You know what I mean? So this is what I do. I'm putting butter in Maggi जो melt होके जा नहीं रहा है, but basically I'm putting butter. It's like half teaspoon of butter. And अभी मैंने छोटा सा ऐसे onions cut कर लिए हैं, तो मैं onions डालूंगी उसमें थोड़े से. And वो onions सौते हो रहे होंगे, ऐसे हो रहे होंगे. तो दूसरी साइड में मैं डालूंगी ये इतने से टमाटर. And these are basically tomatoes जिसका ना ये जो juicy part है मैं निकाल के खा लेती हूँ. So it's all the hard part. And वो it just kind of releases the kind of juice जो मैगी में थोड़े से tangy but sweet but yummy ऐसे, you know, it leaves that flavor. And it's just like, and it's really, God, it's really, because I like to add a lot of spice to it, so the little tangy flavor kind of makes it a little, am I making sense? No, क्योंकि मैं 3 बार ये कर चुकी हूँ जिसमें से एक भी बार ठीक से आवाज नहीं आई है. चॉप. ओके, बटर जा चुका है. बटर थोड़ा सा अभी पुर कर रहा है. एंड ये एक्चुअली मुझे इस तवे पे नहीं बनानी चाहिए थी मैगी, बिकॉज मुझे इस तवे पे मैगी नहीं बनानी चाहिए थी, बिकॉज इस पे मैं ऑलरेडी कुछ बना चुकी हूँ एंड तब से धुला नहीं है. बट यार, यू नो व्हाट, मैं हर चीज नहीं कर सकती. इफ यू वांट कि मैं अपना घर साफ करूं और मैं अपने रूम को एकदम साफ करूं और घर में 50वीं बार पोछा लगाऊं और झाड़ू लगाऊं, और उसके बाद तुम चाहते हो कि मैं फुल फ्लैश्ड एक तो पहले खाना खाऊं, ठीक है? चलो खाना खा रही हूँ, मैं अपने पेट में खाना डाल रही हूँ. मैं अभी इस पॉइंट के इस मुकाम पे पहुंच चुकी हूँ कि माई बॉडी इज लाइक, ओके डार्लिंग, इट्स ओके. तुम्हें अपनी बॉडी को खाना नहीं देना, इट्स ओके. मैं थूक खा के रेडी हो जाऊंगी, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जस्ट गो टू स्लीप माई लव. एंड आई एम लाइक, नो, डोंट गेट सो डिसअपॉइंटेड. इट्स नॉट लाइक मैं तुम्हें खाना नहीं दूंगी, मैं खाना दूंगी, बट प्लीज जस्ट लाइक जो खाना दे रही हूँ बस उसके साथ थोड़ा सा ना लाइक एडजस्ट कर लो, ठीक है? अब उसमें अगर तुम चाहते हो कि मैं बर्तन भी धोऊं और दुनिया भर के सारे काम करूं, इतना नहीं हो सकता मुझसे, ठीक है? मैं अपने आप को यहां तक ऐसे खड़ी रख पा रही हूँ, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है. Got it? I'm a really high maintenance girl, guys. It's so difficult to keep up with every single thing that I keep on doing. Even I'm not able to keep up with it. I don't know how anyone in my entire life is going to keep up with it. All of this, I have like 1,000 different things going on in my head, and I'm just like, oh, what is wrong with me? What if I'm out of this? What if I'm bored? Like, okay. So by 1,000 different things, like I'm like recalculating every single decision that I've ever taken, and I'm just like, why did I do that? Why did I do this? Oh my god, that was so stupid of me. Did I actually have to do that? Oh god, did that message sender, did that particular text send a wrong message? What does that person think of me? Why does that person think of me like that? Am I mean? Am I too mean? Yes, I'm mean to some of you because I love you. And I'm sorry if I'm too mean to some of you. But you guys are really, really nice. And somebody has to be mean to you. So it's me. And somebody has to be mean to me. So it's some of you. Do I say anything to you? No. But yeah, I just cut you off sometimes. Because जब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मीन हो जाता है लोगों के साथ तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है guys please give me a break and I take a break from you guys. Do you even realize that do you even realize that I take a break from you guys? No, you don't. But I do. I do. मैं पानी डाल रही हूँ किसी रैंडम से कप में मेरी मैगी में और मेरे बर्तन को ऐसे इतना आग लग रही है वो हर जगह से धुआं निकाल रहा है and I'm just like darling calm down. We are almost in December guys. But मेरा birthday decorations अभी तक निकला नहीं है. Actually I'm going to keep the ribbons इसलिए निकला नहीं है. ये बात बोले हुए मुझे 2 हफ्ते हो चुके हैं. It's okay. My roommate keeps up with me. So you guys cannot complain. मैं डाल रही हूँ okay. अब मैंने पानी डाल दिया है पानी उबल रहा है अब मैं डाल रही हूँ मसाला सो आई हैव दिस थिंग अबाउट मैगी वेयर आई थिंक दैट मैगी नूडल्स डालने से पहले मसाला डालती हूँ एंड आई लेट इट कुक अ लिटिल बिट बिकॉज आई फील लाइक मसाला कुक नहीं होता है सो इट्स लुक्स आई मीन इट टेस्ट्स अ लिटिल वियर्ड जस्ट लाइक दैट. कितनी मैगी खाना चाहते हैं हम 1 पैकेट या 2 पैकेट? आई थिंक हम 2 पैकेट मैगी खाना चाहते हैं. क्या मुझे भूख है 2 पैकेट खाने की? नहीं. बट मेरी रूममेट को मुझ पर 110% ट्रस्ट है कि मैं हमेशा 2 पैकेट खा सकती हूँ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई मैं अभी भी अपनी रूममेट को रूममेट बोलती हूँ इवन दो हम लोग बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं. हम लोग बहुत ही चैटिंग करते हैं ऑल द टाइम एंड वी जस्ट टॉक अबाउट एवरीथिंग इन द मोस्ट रैंडमेस्ट वे पॉसिबल. बट आई लाइक टू रेफर टू हर एज माई रूममेट. Why? Because what if she wants to keep her identity secret? You know? What if all my fans kind of catch up on her and they're like, oh my god, that's Paki's roommate. Do you guys think I should think like for a minute before posting this on YouTube? Think about my future, think about my future relationship, think about my family, think about my future family. What will they think of me? I probably should. But if you're watching this content, then I mean, how bored are you? Or are you like really stalking me? You're probably really stalking me. Guys, this is my digital diary. Nobody knows about this. Nobody cares about this. So please, like, cut me some slack. I'm gonna show this to my future kid and say, मैं इतनी accomplished थी अपनी लाइफ में. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? So it's also for that. It's like evidence. जैसे मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे बोलते थे कि उन्होंने क्या क्या कर लिया था मेरी एज पे, and I'm just like, darling, where's the evidence? मेरे बच्चे को मैं एविडेंस दूंगी. ट्रॉमा को पास ऑन करना चाहिए guys. That's the only way. Passing on the trauma is the only way, my lovers. Okay, I'm sorry, but I'm living the most chaotic life right now. मेरा खाना रेडी हो चुका है, मेरा पानी रेडी हो चुका है, but I don't know what to watch on TV, so I am like really panicking right now. I don't know what to watch. Let's ignore everything. This is my Maggie, and I'm using this heart-shaped bowl, which belongs to Sanskriti, of course, but well, she's not at home, and this is the only time I'm using it, other than once when I had fruits in it, so she cannot scold me or whatever. And I'm watching Holiday. So that's it for now. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching me rant literally for 15 minutes straight. And if you did watch the whole video throughout, I love you. And if you didn't, please don't tell me that you did not, because I don't want to know that. Don't be honest with me. I don't like that. We should catch up. I really miss all of you. And because I know kaun dekh raha hai, let's catch up soon. If you're watching from India, let's catch up soon in January, I guess. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Instant realization. Shouldn't have done that. Let me know if you still love me.